Hey everyone, it's Professor Hatch. I want to talk just very quickly about the analytical essay, which you're going to be working on this semester, toward the end of the semester. So I'm going to share my screen. And here's the analytical essay. I'm just going to go over the prompt real quick. Um, Having now read all of the following, Milk Like Sugar, Fun Home, and Fleabag, as well as the Aristotelian Rules of Drama handout, please select only two of these plays and write in no less than 1,000 words a formal essay that explores how successful they are when holding them up to Aristotle's rules. When writing this essay, you may want to consider the following. Do these plays make use of the 6 elements of drama, plot, character, thought, diction, song, and spectacle, as defined by Aristotle? Are any of these elements missing? Do either or both of these plays qualify as tragedy? Why or why not? What similarities or differences did you observe between the two plays? And additionally, when you're writing this essay, you must pick at least one scene from each play to explore in detail as you answer the above questions. The requirements, 1,000 words minimum, MLA format, no works cited pages needed. And the only sources you're allowed to use are the mentioned ones above. So I guess before let's look at the essay rubric. Response to prompt, that's worth 50% of the essay right there. So how well do you adhere to the requirements of the essay as mentioned up there with those 5 items? Analysis, how thoroughly and thoughtfully do you analyze the assigned reading, and then, style, grammar, punctuation, all that junk, that's 10%. So that's how that's going to be assessed when I grade. I just want to clarify, it is possible you won't have had time to completely read all 3 of the plays when you are working on this assignment, but that's okay. You you may have. I mean, I have made these readings available weeks before we're talking about them in class, so it's entirely possible you had the chance to get ahead on the reading. But really, as long as you have read 2 of these plays, at least thoroughly enough to analyze one scene from each of the plays, you'll be fine. Is there anything else I need to dwell on there? Make sure that you pick one scene from each play and analyze that thing very closely and thoroughly when answering the questions asked by the prompt. And honestly, other than that, I think that's about it. Um, I'm sure you'll have questions, so if that's the case, text me and remind, but I can't anticipate any of them above and beyond what I've already covered in this video, which is nice because short videos rule. So I guess I'm gonna call it here. Let me know if you have questions by texting me on Remind. Bye.